What is going on, everybody? This is Trader Josh, also known as BMG, Big Money Gooch, okay? And I am here today to give an update, okay? I seen Marv Mon, okay? Marv Mon, this is for you, man. Thank you for your subscription, okay? I always will try to give a video when it is asked of me, an update video, I'll have you know. But before I start this video, as always, I want to let you guys know what? That God loves you all, okay? Don't you ever forget it, okay? And I'm glad I looked at this, okay? Because I want you guys to know that we are above our major resistance level that I had set of 15 cents, okay? And for those of you that were wondering, if you look back, we have tapped this level a few times, not a couple, but a few times, and seemed to fall below it. But Monday the 30th, which was today, okay, we broke above it and almost had to pull down trying to reach it. But we had some uprising potential. Oh, wait a minute. I want to show you guys first. I should have said this, okay? I am so sorry, my bad. This video is on TRKA, okay? TRKA Media Group. And as you guys know, the 15 is for 15 million that we are going to make together on this stock, okay? Don't you never forget it, okay? And as always, guys, one thing that I did notice that it was kind of, let me just go to the day. Okay, on the day we are down, but that is no surprise, okay? Major resistance is going to be at 17 cents. For those of you that could not read that, now you can. I put our bottom down here at 11.50, okay? Because you see, every time we bounce to the bottom at 11.50, we somehow we find our way above it. I have not seen us go below it, okay? You see, I have not seen us go below it. This is the day trend, okay? So every candle represents one day. And for those of you who don't know what candles are each of these, one green line right there, one red line. Each of these red lines are called candles, which represent one day, okay? Each of these candles will represent 15 minutes, okay? Each of these are 15 minutes, all right? And as you see, we broke above the RSI 34, and it looks pretty nice. I'll tell you that right now. I'm gonna definitely be looking, and look, right when our RSI 34 went over the green, okay, I've been telling you guys too, this is real good for me too, because I've been waiting to figure out how to do this, and I finally found out. Okay, so now I changed the colors of the RSI 13 and the RSI 34. Okay, so as we know, the RSI 13 is a support that is something that helps us know when we are going up, and the red would mean when we're going down. So for those of you that watch my videos, y'all know that when the green line is over the red line, we are going up. And as you see, we're going down, but we have not crossed the RSI 34 just yet. Maybe tomorrow we can pull above it. But we're also on a sideways linear regression right here, okay? So tomorrow, Tuesday, toward the end of the day, will be right here. So 20 cents, 20.47. Let me go right here. This is what I want to see us break tomorrow. And if we break this tomorrow, I'll do an update tomorrow as well. And if we break this tomorrow, that is going to be some good news. And this sideways linear regression channel will turn into a what? An upward linear regression channel, okay? And that is very good, okay? Because that gives us higher levels to look into. Like how you see I went to the end of Tuesday right here, which would be at 20.47. Well, when it's more of an upward linear regression channel, and if you look at my last video on WISA, that was a pretty steep one going up, okay? And you'll see definitely what I mean. If this was more upward linear regression channel, then into Tuesday, the end of it, toward the end, would be around 26 cents. So I'm going to go ahead and mark that for a later day, just in case we do reach above it tomorrow. And things are looking pretty good. I'll tell you that right now. I'm going to be definitely focusing on this stock. And if we break 20 cents tomorrow, I'll buy about $150 worth. And if you've seen my Wisa video, you know how I feel about $150. Okay, so all right. So check that out. Also check out my Lucid video. I just put some money in that. But I want to show you some things real quick. And TRKA has not sold any shares in about 15 days, matter of fact. There goes that music thing popping up. My last video, that was freaking me out. And okay, so look, on the 15th, they short sold 2.8 million shares for a price of 376,000. And let's just go to the 15th right here. I did not even think about this, but I'm going to go to the 15th right here. Let's do that. What was going on at the 15th? Huh. Well, ain't that something? Let me get to it. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, it seems like 15th would be right here. Now let's try to figure out why the company would sell right here. Okay. Possibly to get it to draw back like this. Maybe they didn't want it to keep going up. But we have not seen them sell anymore. And y'all see what the charts have looked like since the 15th. Okay. Bam. That's the 17th, but it was a weekend. Okay. So it's going to have a bit, it's going to have a bit of a delay right there. But as you see, since they sold right about here, I'm going to mark that. So in a later video, we'll know the last time they sold. Okay. So look, since they sold back there, we have been moving, okay? And everything looks pretty good, actually. I'm not going to lie. I'm seeing some very good stuff right now. And if we keep continuing this, a lot of you guys that are worried out there, I want you to pay attention to what I'm about to say, okay? Y'all seeing us go down, right? And you see these red candles right here, okay? I'll say, okay, tomorrow, it is very likely that after this very, very steep pull up, we can see a very steep pull down, maybe around the 16-cent range. And it's possible we can end the day off down. Okay, it's also possible we could keep going up. But let's just look at the history. After a pull up, down. After a pull up, down. After a pull up, down. Okay, but what have we also been able to do every time we pull up? Let's just check that out. Every time we pull up, every time we pull down, and every time we pull down. Okay, so, I'm not saying anything here, but I will say, if we pull down, it's also going to be possible we'll see another one of them. Okay, y'all check that out. And I'm very glad, Marv Mon, that you sent me this, because everything's looking beautiful right now. Okay, I just might say. And also, let me just zoom back in on the day. Okay, and I'm gonna leave all them lines there, so tomorrow when I do an update video, we'll see how everything looks. Okay, and maybe it'll follow my lines, maybe not. Okay, but a lot of people tell me, you're pretty good at what you do. Okay, so let's just hope to see it keep going up. Okay, let's really hope for that. Like I said, guys, let's watch out for that 15-cent level. Okay, and I have one share of TRKA right now, just because I wanted to keep it on my watch list, really at the top of my watch list. If y'all notice, I got my white tee on. Things are good, life is great. Okay, and I'm just loving every day. Okay, I hope everybody else is as well. Let me move that a little down. Bam. So it's possible. Look, and look at that, 15 cents. It was up there at one point. Let's just put it down here now. Okay. 15 cents was a major resistance level that we were looking into. And my line just happens to so be near the 15-cent range. Okay. So if we do see it pull down to there, we know that now that we're above it, we have a major support level coming if we touch that. Okay. So not saying anything. I'm not saying anything, but let's just look at what 15 cents has done for us every time we pull to it. This would be 13 cents. So let's look right here. And I'm going to mark the lines for you guys too to show you. 15 cents. What happened after it? Okay, let me show you again. 15 cents. What happened after it? Okay, I'm not saying anything, you know what I'm saying? I'm not saying anything right now, currently. But tomorrow when I do an update video, you could thank me, you could hate me, you could love me. But I always love you guys, alright? And I said it like I said in my last video, I was thinking about it, and leave a comment and let me know what you think. But I've been thinking about making like a free thing. Like I see a lot of people having Discords and a lot of people having Zoom meetings and all, or like Patriots or whatever all that is. I was thinking maybe to get off YouTube and have like the people who really are behind what I'm doing, you know, and really, really are into it, you know, and think they can give me some information, or we could all help each other out, like every second of the day, you know, instead of when I post a video, y'all hear what I say. You know, if you get what I'm saying, you know what I mean. But basically, I'm saying if we have a Discord or a Zoom or something like that, then we'll be able to keep in touch with each other daily. And if you send me a message, it'll pop up on my phone. Ding, ding. Marv Mon sent you a message. And okay, cool. Read what you said. Oh, updated on this banger. Okay, great. Let's stay updated together, man. You know, send screenshots and stuff. You know what I'm saying? It sounds cool, you know, but I'm not gonna do anything until I hear from my viewers and my subscribers on whether to do it or not. But I don't want to keep this video too long. I don't know how long it is so far. Let me know what you think. You know, subscribe as always. You know, I love you all, but most importantly, God loves you all. Okay, and life's good, man. Y'all have a good day, a good night, wherever you are. And I'll see you guys when I see you guys. All right? Okay.